This is now a different chat. Thank you, YouTube, for stopping the stream. Okay, maybe, I don't know. What does this say? Me every morning in the bathroom. Nice. Can you please make surf and be up on mobile, please? And I can't see the screen. Bada beep. So simulation playback control timelines is a special interesting. Simulation dot so this actually, I can expose multiple output event groups. So then I can make, this is a timeline group. That's just a simple timeline group. Yeah. Nah. That's very interesting. It just like seamlessly fits into this schema. The simulation is controlled by the simulation director control, and the simulation playback control is controlled by the simulation director control on a timeline, on a replicated timeline. That's so modular. So modular. So we have inchworm playback. I don't know what the hell that is, but so I've created a race condition. So when the client says, I'm going to send you events under the label simulation control, the server says, great, I'll write the events to this timeline group. and then the server reads and runs all events in a inchworm style and runs the simulation director handlers. This is so organized. The only problem is none of this code exists. So then we have the simulation playback, and then the bots are just a completely separate system. So the distinction is that the client GUI controls will generate control events for the bot simulation playback, which is just so modular. Cool. This is really cool. The only problem is there's no way this is going to work. There's too many little special cases that I've had to make. It's going to be a process to convert this to this modular, organized, structured code. God, I feel freaking done. How long have I been streaming? Like an hour? 2 hours? Wow, look at the big shadow. I'm gonna do some B-up. Oh, I can't. That's right. I guess I can. If I just open up the Why is that in a different order? That's cringe. All right, if I stop all 10 video encodings. Here we go. I'm going to stop the encodings. Or not stop, but pause. You can see the CPU usage go down. There we go. Maybe I can get some gaming done now. Alright, is there something running? Okay, cool. Look at that. So smooth. Excellent. You finished the map. Wow, you beat that map. Right, I made it so that it prints that stupid message. Guess I'll change that back. It's so loud, man. I don't know why the game doesn't remember it's supposed to be quieter. What were you encoding? A TV show for my dad called Wooster and Jeeves. I found it in 1080p on Blu-ray. I downloaded 175 gigabytes of the TV show, and I'm encoding it to AV1, and it's gonna be like 10 gigabytes. Interestingly, it's in 50 frames per second. It was interlaced. It kind of looks like 25. I don't understand what's going on with the video. I don't know if I'm just like so used to high frame rates that 50 FPS looks like 25 FPS to me. But yeah, it's like a old TV show. Hugh Laurie, Stephen Fry. I'm also encoding. Oh my god, this is so hard to see. This thing, Green Planet, BBC. I'm interpolating it with AI to 60 FPS, which is fun. That's always fun, isn't it? Isn't it? What the hell? Why is that so weird? That is 770 by 480 at 10 FPS. Okay. Zero viewers on YouTube. Yep. Okay. I'm gonna load a map. Oh no, I was gonna like edit the. Oh my god, it's so hard to see. I was gonna edit the thing. Don't get excited, man. What's this? Oh my god. The O. Okay. Message. There it is. We're back. All right. So hard to see. All right, I'm gonna load up map list. Damn, this is going hard. 14% CPU. OBS, FFmpeg. Where's Bobux? There it is. Oh, it's done loading. Okay. I wonder if I should fix the serialization error. I don't really want to. It's a cringe error. All right, I'm gonna load this map for funsies. Oh, it's this map. Oh dear. Ugh. Is that B-hop gravity? It's B-hop gravity. Why is it B-hop gravity? Is there an error? No, it's because the gravity doesn't change when the map loads. It's based off of... okay. Huh. It's based off of the game rather than the map. I guess that's kind of for the best. But that makes it harder to do in... God, I'm gonna have to open up my window. It's gonna get hot in here. Direct sunlight is cringe. I am currently cringing. What is B-hop hex? Oh, it's a cool map, isn't it? Oh no, it's that map. Oh. Never mind, it's this map. Cool. I wrote some code that doesn't exist, I wrote some code that relies on code that doesn't exist, which is actually a great way to write code. It's a great way to prepare to write new code. Oh, I hit the wall. Oh, it's so nice to have screen capture back. Fast screen capture. My screen capture broke for like a month. And it sucked because I couldn't screen capture. I had to use like window capture and it just sucks. Oh. I hit the wall. Your main run has been invalidated. Timescale is not allowed in this style. Timescale? When did I timescale? Timescale is not allowed in this style. Stop timescaling. Anti-tamper. Oh my god. Be like, oh my god. Oh my god. I hit the... I suck. That was an I suck moment. I was just grooving and moving. And then I was just like, man, I think I'm gonna not hit the platform. And then I didn't hit the platform. And I stopped moving and grooving. Cool. I love it. Ow! This is what I remembered. Wow, you beat the map. He's 3 feet is playing fur bonus. No, he's playing brick. I think he's not on Roblox anymore. Map not done XDDDDD. Time warp 185. I think my time got invalidated. I don't know. Well, I wrote some outlines. I thought I was finished writing outlines, but I guess I wasn't. No! I made it. Oof. I saw that coming. Okay, okay, okay. 3 mistakes in a row, each worse than the last. Alright, where do I usually go? I'm just gonna go a different way. This way. That is actually a skip. It's not a huge skip. it's a good skip. It's like a 4-second skip. Or maybe 2 seconds, I don't know. What's my control F6? Oh, not bad. Okay, there is some stutters. It like goes down to 100 something FPS. Not horrible. Oh, I can't make that. Ooh yeah, ooh yeah, ooh yeah, ooh yeah. No! Oh, ah, oh, ah. I made it. I'm not used to going fast, which is kind of a sad thing to say about me. I'm used to going slow. Okay. Oh, no! I could have made that. Oh, no way! Rip. That was a 3-minute run, and I threw it away. I don't know how good that is. Probably okay. Probably like top 200 or something. I would imagine. This is Hex. I could go to B-Hop. Monkey mode. True. T. I feel done. I've only been working for like 2 hours. But like I wrote some stuff. This is a really bad way to work. I've been like doing not work for weeks, where I just like write a little bit of code and then just quit. I mean, it's infinitely more than 0 work. Where's the code? I can't see my monitor. So, okay. And then on the client, once again, playback manager or something. I might just leave this code in the simulation playback for now. Really, really like this. The skipping, such awesome stuff. So this needs the control handlers and control events. I'm going to make a prediction and say the update will come out on May 2nd, 2022. Only a month Bold prediction. At least 5 years off. Lee12000 says Joe on YouTube. Yo. Ho. Slow down on me. So right now the simulation is inside of the simulation director. It should rather be separate. And then have tentacles coming off of it that I can attach together. Tentacles is probably a bad word to choose. More like lanes. It's like labeled event lanes, I guess. And so like the simulation director fires the input and then the simulation does whatever. The simulation director fires the control and it pauses the simulation. That's kind of my idea, is that the objects have interaction lanes, and I hook them together like this, and this is like the entire code that does everything, which is neat. I used to do this with like a bunch of objects. So I have this simulation playback control IO object, and it's doing the job of writing events to timelines here. It's doing the job of event handlers here. It's doing the job of event playback here. It's doing like all the jobs, and it's just a mess. So I think that I'm going to delete this code and reorganize it to use standardized input and output lanes. Branches, brambles. I like how the mixes just stop. It's unique. It's like, all right, I'm done. Is this even full screen? It's not even full screen. Oh, no, 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 no. Warp. Ah! 2 days ago on Sunday, I guess it's not actually that interesting of a story. The story I was going to tell is I got out of the shower and banged my foot and I went, ah! That's the story. Good story. Triangle. I got Roblox open. Is the music still stuttering? Was it because of 100% CPU usage, do you think? This is unplayable. Yeah, it is. If you keep desyncing, this is totally unplayable. I changed my prediction. I'm so satisfied with my idea, but I'm not working on it. I'm not well, I guess I actually did. I guess I did work on it. Just keep working every day. Come back, work every day. Every day. Every day. Every day. Ready on your left. Spec. Oh my god. The gaming. Oh my god. Having low latency spectate is like critical for socialization. So the fact that the spectate is like 0.1 seconds delay rather than 2 seconds delay is amazing. It just immediately makes the game more social. I can like immediately react to death. If I spring the ping, it'll probably be even more smooth. Because this is exponential decay easing. But if I do spring easing, then it should be more resilient. When it comes to, oh yeah, well, I guess I just kind of need to like write it differently a little bit. the timer synchronization, and then it'll be resilient to ping spikes. A 315. He leaves the game. Same. Man. All right, what's the quote? Okay, I, I want to like have it already done. Yeah. It's so disorganized. All my code is just all over the place. And this idea makes it strict and structured, but I have to write all of the code that utilizes it. And I just don't want to do that right now. But like if I stop streaming, then I'll stop working for the rest of the day, and then the day is over. So get some apple juice and see what you can do. right, what was something else that I could write? I had a different idea that I could work on. That was another. Think of the solution. Well, this is the solution. It's just that I don't want to do it right now. Ooh. The reason this stream is called Interrupted Stream is because of the interruption that I've just gotten right now. I'm gonna install Linux with my friend. He's gonna install Linux. Alright, yeah. This is the interruption. Maybe I'll stream again. I probably just will start streaming again tomorrow, but I did something. Like, it wasn't a total failure today. I wrote these outlines of the simulation wiring with my new event to timeline idea with skippable timeline playback, which structures everything. And where in the world do you find this motivation? I 5 years of living in my mom's basement, basically. Oh, the camera froze. Hello? Let's see. What's Telegram doing? Recording. Oh. I can't even check. All right. So what was I saying? Yeah, I did work. Where do you find this motivation? That's right. I was saying where I find the motivation. After 5 years of doing nothing in my mom's basement, while wanting to do something, I created a formula to make myself work. And that formula is wake up, make coffee, live stream. And every time I do all three of these, I do something rather than doing nothing. And I work rather than not work. That's my formula. It took me 5 years to create that formula of like barely anything. Like I would just like sit on the couch and watch anime for 5 years. Or just like browse YouTube, right? That's my formula. That's how I is the camera working again? No, it's not. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna stop the stream and help my friend. I'll stream again tomorrow. Maybe today, probably tomorrow. So goodbye, and this is gonna be great when the game is done in 2026.